Grupo Antolin is one of the world's largest automotive supplier, Tier 1. We do all interiors for most OEMs, and starting off from design and all the way through manufacturing. So we're real excited to host Manufacturing Day here. What I would hope that every student takes from here is understanding what we do here and how important it is in the industry.
As the recruiter for Antolin Shelby, I'm so excited that the high school students are visiting today. There are endless opportunities in manufacturing, and this facility is no exception. You can start here right out of school and get an excellent paying job with so many opportunities for advancement.
Manufacturing Day at Antolin Shelby was an amazing experience because I learned about many job opportunities that are available for me.
So I think it's really important for businesses to get involved more in Manufacturing Day because it really opens eyes to more students on more job opportunities.
I started on the floor here about a year ago. My background is actually early childhood education. Never thought I would be in automotive whatsoever. Was on the floor for about 5 months, got noticed by higher management, and then eventually the management team saw even more in me and believed in me and put me in the SP coordinator position.
I was really impressed to see how much diversity and how many women were working in the factory. It's just really empowering to see women can do the same thing men